Okay, for number 5, they're mixing, again, it's mixture problem, but in this case they're mixing peanuts and raisins, right? So let's make our table. So for this one, we have the amount. In this case, it's amount of peanuts or raisins, right? And then times the price, right, of the peanuts or raisins gives us how much money was spent total on that. So let's see what we have. We have peanuts, so we could call this peanuts. I had to remove some letters, and raisins, and the mix. Okay, so let's fill in the table. Juanita mixed 3 kilograms of peanuts and raisins, so that's the mix. She had 3 kilograms. The peanuts cost $4.25 per kilogram, so that's $4.25 per kilogram. And the raisins cost $3.50 per kilogram. The whole mix costs $12, so the total amount of the mix costs $12, so that goes there. How many kilograms of peanuts did she have? So this is P, the unknown amount of peanuts. This is R, the unknown amount of raisins. Now we multiply right across the top, so each row. So peanuts is P times 4.25 gives us how much she spent, right? 4.25 P. And this makes sense, right? If something is $4.25 per kilogram and you buy 3 kilograms, you would multiply by 3, right? Okay, so for the raisins, this becomes 3.5R, or 3.50R. So now recall, the equations always come down these two columns, right, or the majority of time. So the first equation is P plus R equals 3, and the second equation is 4.25P plus 3.5R equals 12. So we could solve this one a variety of ways. I'm going to use substitution. I think it's the most straightforward. We could multiply the top one by negative 4.25, or the top one by negative 3.5. Or okay, to get the P or the R to use elimination. But I think substitution's easier. So I'm going to solve the top equation for P, and I'm going to get P equals 3 minus R, right? Subtract 3 from R from both sides. The bottom equation stays the same, 4.25P plus 3.5R equals 12. Now, I can use substitution now, right? Because I can take the 3 minus R and substitute it in there for the P, right? So we get 4.25 times 3 minus R plus 3.5 R equals 12. So now 4.25 times 3 is 12.75 minus 4.25 R plus 3.5 R equals 12. So we have like terms, negative 4.25, positive 3.5. So I'll come up here. So I have 12.75, right, 12.75, minus 4.25 plus 3.5, that's 0.75, negative 0.75 R equals 12. So we subtract 12.75 from both sides. So I have negative 0.75 R equals 12 minus 12.75. That's negative 0.75. So then we divide both sides by negative 0.75, right? Divide by negative 0.75, and we get R equals 1. Now the question for number 5 said, how many kilograms of peanuts? Okay, so we ended up with the other. So I'm going to take this equation, and I'm going to say P plus R, which is 1, equals 3, so P equals 2. So the amount of peanuts is 2 kilograms of peanuts, right? And then if the question asked for how many raisins, it would be right here, which is 1 kilogram of raisins.